Are you seeking Allah's protection from all harm? Surah Al Falaq holds the key. Let's explore its blessings.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the accursed Satan, from his madness, his pride, and his poetry.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قل أعوذ برب الفلق.
Say, O Prophet, I seek refuge in the Lord of the Daybreak.
من شر ما خلق.
Daybreak, from the evil of whatever he has created.
ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب.
And from the evil of the night when it grows dark.
ومن شر النفاثات في العقد.
And from the evil of those witches casting spells by blowing onto knots.
ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
And from the evil of an envier when they envy.